Hi, thanks for listening today. This is Kevin Smith with the IT Transformation Institute, and this is Chapter 17 in our series on IT transformation. We have a fun topic today, and it is on the IT Concierge. That's right, the IT Concierge. This is a new role, and it's a new embodiment of a lot of what the future of IT is going to be. And one thing we'll find is that the IT Concierge has a very simple mission. Their mission is to help everybody do their job better every day, to help everybody be at their best every day. Think of a great hotel. A great hotel and the concierge is there to help you any way they can. They provide great service, they're friendly, they take care of a variety of different needs, they give personal attention. That is not a bad model for what the IT concierge is going to be. It is in many ways an embodiment of the things that we've talked about. An ambassador to the business, an ambassador to customers, very much outwardly focused, and an embodiment of good communications, and an enabler of innovation, an enabler of the customer focus that we've talked about. A individual that helps drive the outreach to the business, another initiative that we've discussed. So these things are all too important to leave to chance, and so the IT concierge is going to make them happen. The concierge is going to be focused on these things every day, and they are going to help reshape the perception of IT. So it'll be a fun topic, and I hope you enjoy today's discussion.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same.
Our first discussion point for today on the IT concierge is that they will create a new focus. Again, we've covered many things, and there are many elements to IT transformation. There are many things that are important. And the IT concierge is going to be responsible for driving many of these elements every day, driving this focus every day, bringing it to life. And one of the things that they do is this simple mission is not one that we can underestimate. This simple mission is to make every user better. And that really begins with an understanding of what these users in our business, what these users in IT are trying to accomplish, what their requirements are. The IT concierge is going to take the time to really build an understanding of these requirements, of these business requirements, and of the requirements, the needs of users and customers every day. It's really every individual that's touching the systems of IT, every individual that's consuming the services of IT every day. The IT concierge is going to shape that understanding, and then with that understanding, then we can get about the business of making every user more productive every day. And I use that term user. Some people don't like that word, but it's an accurate description of a user of our systems, a consumer of our services. So we could call them, these are employees, these are customers, but these are people who depend on the systems of IT every day. So the IT concierge is going to take the time to listen and really gain that understanding, and then only with that understanding can they be an advocate for those employees and for customers in improving their experience every day and making them more productive every day and helping them to do their job better every day. And that's part of the outreach. When they do the business outreach that the IT concierge will do to keep business owners, it's really easy to start that discussion. The beginning of that discussion is, how can we help you do your job better every day? How can we help your team be more productive every day? And then that discussion is often running, and it takes a very natural course.
It all just sounds like too young, too dumb.
One of the most important things that the IT concierge will become is a trusted advisor. This is a really important role. This is an internal role and it's an external role. This is a trusted advisor to the people of IT, it's a trusted advisor to key business owners, and it's a trusted advisor to our customers. All of those constituents, if you will see the IT concierge as a trusted advisor. And there are a few things that make this possible. Number one, we have to be proactive. We can't wait until there's a problem or there's a concern, because that's too late. We have to be proactive. And one example of that is in the previous discussion, I mentioned this outreach, where we go to people in the business, we go to people in IT, and we ask them, how can we help you do your job better every day? How can the people of IT help you be more productive every day? How can we help you serve your customers better every day? That's a very simple discussion, but it's a very powerful one. And then over time, by doing that proactive engagement and having that discussion, the IT concierge begins to be seen as this trusted advisor. It's also a very natural way to shape teamwork, because the IT concierge is working cross-functionally across many teams within IT and beyond IT, and it's building this teamwork, this proactive outreach, and then the follow-up to that outreach and making these things come to life. Remember, we talked about understanding requirements and the IT concierge really understanding what people are trying to do in their job every day. Well, then we can begin to shape teams, mobilize teams, and the concierge is going to be a really important facilitator in mobilizing teams to deliver to those requirements and to improve the user experience and to help people do their job better every day. And that could take lots of forms. It could be removing unnecessary work. It could be simplifying approvals. It can be upgrading or eliminating legacy systems. And there's hundreds of things that can happen to help people work better every day and to help save time, people's precious time every day. And the final thing I want to mention is just the IT concierge being a mentor. Because we're going to tap a few key people to serve in this role in the beginning, but we want to be grooming the IT concierge of roles of the future, the people who will fill that role in the future. So the IT concierge is going to be a mentor, and that's a very powerful program that hasn't been as prevalent in IT as it should be, but we need to be identifying mentors who can groom the leaders of IT in the future.
Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another.
Our third discussion point is on innovation. It's one of the key things you hear us mention consistently throughout the series on IT transformation, and also on world-class service management, because innovation, the threads of innovation run through everything that we're doing. And it's too important to just leave it to chance, to just tell the organization, innovation's important, okay, now go make it happen. So one of the things that the IT concierge is going to drive and own is the innovation process. And it doesn't mean that the IT concierge needs to have all the answers. One of the things that they'll do is facilitate getting our best thinkers, and that's a really important point, is we need to tap our best thinkers and bring them together and turn them loose on creating creative solutions to real business problems. Remember, the IT concierge is going to be having a series of discussions with people in the business and even with customers on what their current challenges are, what their key business requirements are, how we help them work better every day. Then the IT concierge will facilitate this process of bringing the right people together in small cross-functional teams and getting them to work on crafting these creative approaches to these challenges, both challenges of today and challenges of the future. This is going to be a huge value that gets brought to the business, is the results that come from these teams. And the IT concierge is going to play a vital role, and they will certainly have a voice. They'll have an opinion, and they can very well be part of the small team, but they'll bring other people together with specific skills and specific expertise to get them to work on these solutions. And so as with many things, when we're looking to somebody to make it happen, when we recognize something's important and somebody needs to drive it and make it happen, once again, we'll turn to the IT concierge.
My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways caused a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life.
I hope our discussions today have helped shape the idea around the IT concierge, why this role is going to be so important and so influential in the future of the IT organization, and be a key enabler in making IT transformation happen. One more thought I want to put to you is that the IT concierge is going to be an advocate for our customers every day, an advocate for our people every day. And in doing that, we bring together so many of the important activities that need to happen, including what we discussed in our previous solution, which is connecting people, the right people, to the work that drives creative solutions to business problems. This is part of what IT has to deliver to the organization and to our customers in the future. Is we have challenges today, we have challenges in the future, and we have the best and brightest people in IT and across the business working together to craft these solutions to help protect our future. The IT Concierge will also create a new level of awareness to the market, customers living in the market and the market itself, and help drive this outside-in thinking that we dedicate one of our chapters to. And that's a really important idea, is the IT organization gets shaped by external forces and not just by internal forces, which is the traditional model. Much more to come on that, many more chapters to come. I hope you're enjoying our chapters. We appreciate your comments. This is the IT Transformation Series. Please check out our series on world-class ITSM. We also have some general IT topics. I call those the wonderful world of IT. What better name could we come up than that? And then we have our books on the website. There's a book on IT service management that goes into a lot more detail on ITSM, and then 2 books on IT transformation. Over 1,000 pages for you to enjoy, and going into the details of IT transformation and the models of IT transformation. Look at our training classes. We have online virtual training on the training calendar, and we have in-person training and workshops, the checkup, 1-day checkup, and the 2- and 3-day roadmap sessions. We try to create something for everybody. And of course, these videos. We always love to hear from you. Send us your ideas, send us your suggestions, use the contact form, and we'll continue to develop resources and content that can help you do your job better every day. Hey, we know you're busy. We always appreciate you listening, and let's make IT great.
Should've gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.